That's a ladyfish.
So that's
Very
a
beautiful.
mini ladyfish.
Yeah.
We're not keeping it, right? They're too
Oh,
small.
No, they're not. You don't need it. And
Yeah, we don't need it.
Just touch it.
I imagine that one being very fast.
Ah!
Can I send it out?
Yeah.
Sure.
You want to just pick it up and throw it out?
Just pick it up
Put
and throw
over
it
here,
in
put
the
over
water.
Just pick it up. Just grab it. Hurry up. Put it right there. So very fast swimmer. He's a little confused. So turn him around. There he goes.
Get my fish. Get my fish. Get my fish.